I'm Delia Codes, and I'm back working on my first node project. Okay, so last time I encountered an object-object bug in my code. So I figured out that what my front-end code is doing is not what what my front-end code is processing is not what my back-end code is delivering. So I have written a test that roughly mirrors my backend code. So, at least I think that's, yeah. Actually, and to be honest, I'm not sure if and in some ways, I kind of am like, maybe this doesn't need to be what it is. So it's a different sort of transformation than I kind of expected it to be. So if you look, this is what is being delivered. 0, and then description, and then name. And then it displays it in order. It sorts it into an array of objects in order. So that way, you know, it takes this level and it essentially goes, oh, this is what it is. Which I hope makes some kind of sense. It essentially creates an array for the meals. And I kind of wonder whether or not this is like, I kind of wonder whether or not this is what I need to be doing. You know, I feel like I'm kind of in the weeds here a little bit. Because I think I need to zoom out as to why I'm doing this and what I'm trying to do here. Because I think that like the best way that I can do this is I need to display it, but I need to display it in a way that makes sense. Because I'm wondering, I mean, what if I just took this and mapped over this portion here? I mean, do I need to sort it, is really what I'm saying. Yeah, I think I need to draw this out a little bit more. And I think I need to, like, do a little bit better of a drawing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to print out because this is the because if you look, this is the object, right? And I think I'm going to print that out because I'm kind of wondering whether or not I should probably just paste it in here. Okay, and then let's see here. Because what I'm wondering is whether or not there's a better way to do this. Because technically this is the object, right? And, you know, maybe it's one of those things where, actually no. that needs to go there, that needs to go there. Maybe this is one of those things where I go, okay, array 1, and this is the 0 position. And then it's an object. Because maybe because I just need, because the biggest problem is that I need to display this thing. And in order to display it, I need to, and so I need to have an array here. And I have an array of 0, and then what I need to do is I need to put 1 and 1. And so I think I need to change my code to actually like make some sort of kind of sense about this. And because probably what I need to do is I need to be able, because I'll need to be able to add and delete things, right? And so because I'll need to be able to add and delete things, I need to like journal, I think. And when I say journal, I need to like kind of take a thing and write it out. And kind of take this data structure, because I think the way in which I wrote my tests really called into question like what I knew about my data structure and what I didn't know about my data structure. And so this is technically so this is an object with 0 as an array. Oh, I do not need to save this yet. Okay, that makes more sense. And what I need to do is, because I need to be able to edit and delete. So when I click on something, I need to be able to say, oh, this is a value. And then I need to be able to edit or delete. Which means I should probably add a delete button or a edit button. That sort of thing. Yeah, I'm actually kind of really glad that I was able to talk about this, because like I don't know if I need this result. Like it may be simpler to do it as this result, but I'm wondering if because if I access, yeah. Yes. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so let's look at what else I need. I have added, I have fixed, I have all the hard things. I have an add and edit / delete meal tab, and or fix object display issue. And that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do a little writing. And really, I need to like say, what do I need my code to do? I need to like kind of look at this object and like write out a little bit more of what is my code going to do to display this thing, and how is it accessing this object to display it. Because the biggest issue is that the way in which I use the sorted keys of my object, or the sorted keys of this thing, I need to figure out how to display it in a way that makes sense. Well, actually, I need to figure out how it accesses the object and how it uses the template to display it. So, yeah, nothing. Okay. Maybe I should like drag this out and say nothing. And I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm saying. Maybe I should drag the thing on the score that was like the background, or not score, Trello. If that makes sense. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm Delia _Codes, and this is my first time project from rough start to finish. I am streaming 41 hours, or whatever it is at this point. Thank you so much for watching.